I'm starting the work for the underneath side of the car by removing the exhaust system. Of course, the screws were rusty, so I needed to cut once again. Afterwards, it was a pretty straightforward job to do. Cleaning all the rust, and then on the clean surface I added some rust neutralizer to do the job. Then I realized that the fuel system is all rusty like shit, and made the decision to replace it. I started by removing the fuel filter and all the rusted pipes. For convenience, the pipes were replaced with hoses. With today's improved materials, it's fine. A bit of detailing, just cause it's cold outside, and I cannot apply the rubber paint underneath. I take the chance to fix the gearbox, which was only engaging third and fourth gear, using a milling machine. The right part is created out of polycarbonate. I then drilled some holes in the gearbox body to make sure the part will not fall out like before. It is then time to seal all the welding areas and more. I use aluminum-based masking. Finally, I react at the well-expected moment of applying the rubber-based paint. And now let's put all the shit together.
Işte fuaye biraz da çekmek.
Evet, koyuyor aici. Ho descărcat o gardă aici.
Da.
Au ușa la aici, dacă puțin nu văd. Ba, pe amândouă. Încă nu descărcat, dar cred că acum le descalcă. Să mă duc mai repede? Ce să vă zic? Dinăuntru ceva, nu?
Mai fi că chestii de înăuntru, dar...
Nu, că se duc la data, a fost un moment la care...
Deci totul stopciu cu mult, este de singură etapă tot. Părea că știu să și destul de măcar, da?
Da. Păi, dacă se ridică, să stai rea. Genial.
Mai dai pe un pic.
Păi, un pic de creativitate, nu muncă. Ia uite!